Hi, today you're joining us and we're at Janet's Foss, and we're going to have a walk down to the Foss, the waterfall, and then we're going to work our way across to Malham Cove. Well, the weather's a bit inclement, other words, wet and windy, but it is what it is, and you've got to get outside and enjoy the fresh air and the view. Been down here several times, but it's always worth seeing. And so I thought, of course, bring the camera out and let you have a look as well. Right, you're now joining us in the blustery village of Malham. I've been here many times, but it's normally sunny. And we're going to have a walk down to the bottom of Malham Cove. Let's carry on this walk. We're now at Malham Tarn Estate, walking down to the bottom. Stone walls, really beautiful. I have walked across the top there before from Janet's Foss along the top of Malham's Cove, and it's all like paved stoning. Won't be going up there today. I hope you've enjoyed the walk around Janet's Foss and Malham Cove. I'm going to pop into this Lister Arms now for a bit of beverage. Look after yourselves and those you love. Till we meet again, BFN. Bye for now.